Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Shopify store URL. So first of all, you have to open your browser and then come to the shopify.com and you have to log into your Shopify account. As you can see, I am currently on my Shopify account right here. So when you are on this page, just simply click on online store in the left sidebar and just going to load here for us. So just wait a second, and as you can see, we are now taken to this page right here. In here you will be able to see your current Shopify store. You can also see your current theme, as you can see. But to be able to actually view your Shopify store URL, then what you are going to do is just click right here where it says view your store. Click right here, and as you can see, we are now taken to this page, and actually this right here is going to be your Shopify store URL. This exact URL right here is the Shopify store URL for my store. So it's not going to be the exact same for you, of course, but it's going to be something similar. Some of you might even have connected your own domain to Shopify, so it's not going to say myshopify.com for you. It might say something else, but you will be able to find it right here as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.